this video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Jaguar E-Type, a stunning continuation of the iconic British sports car. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or just someone who appreciates beautiful design and top-tier performance, the 2025 E-Type has something to offer. We'll take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and the price tag that comes with it. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type takes the best of its classic design and enhances it with modern, sleek touches. The first thing that catches the eye is its elegant curves, staying true to the car's heritage while incorporating more aerodynamic lines. The body is made from lightweight materials, including aluminum, which not only helps with performance, but also gives it that high-end, refined feel. The front grille has been reworked for a more aggressive stance with sharper LED headlights and a more sculpted hood. The 2025 model features wider fenders and a more pronounced rear to give it a stronger, more muscular look. However, the paint options are as stunning as ever, with rich metallic finishes like British racing green, satin black, and a new exclusive shade of Silverstone gray, which adds a touch of sophistication to the car's already dynamic presence. The car sits on stylish 20-inch alloy wheels, and the rear features a distinctive light cluster that's instantly recognizable to any Jaguar fan. The overall effect is a car that's both classic and modern, a perfect blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge design. Saturn cluster. Inside, the 2025 E-Type is all about luxury and comfort, with an emphasis on a minimalist yet high-tech cockpit. The seats are upholstered in fine leather, available in several color options to match the exterior, providing both comfort and support for spirited driving. Jaguar has kept the design clean and uncluttered, with a beautifully crafted center console that holds a large, touch-responsive tone control. This system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Jaguar's own software, making it easy to access navigation, media, and vehicle settings. One of the standout features of the interior is the reworked steering wheel, which is smaller and more ergonomic for better handling. The dashboard has a mix of high-tech digital displays and traditional analog dials, giving you the best of both worlds. The interior materials are top-notch, with brushed metal, soft-touched surfaces, and carbon fiber accents in the right places. It's executed, and a core property of its value is that it's being used to hurry the process of completing testing. While the E-Type remains a two-seater, there is surprisingly enough legroom for most drivers, and the driving position is adjustable to suit various body types. Home taste description. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type is powered by a turbocharged 3.1-liter inline-six engine, delivering a thrilling 450 horsepower. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and for the first time, Jaguar offers an all-wheel drive option. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4 seconds, making it blisteringly fast for a car with such a heritage. The handling is exceptional, with a near-perfect balance of comfort and performance. The car features an adaptive suspension system, allowing drivers to switch between a sportier, more aggressive setup and a smoother ride for longer journeys. The steering is precise, and the car grips the road beautifully, thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced chassis dynamics. Whether you're tackling twisty mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the 2025 E-Type feels stable and confident at any speed. The braking system, which features carbon ceramic discs, offers incredible stopping power, ensuring the car remains in complete control, no matter how fast you're going. On the road, the sound is just as thrilling as the performance. The exhaust note is deep and guttural, providing an audible reminder of the power that's lurking under the hood. Jaguar has also made sure the 2025 model is efficient, with a more refined hybrid powertrain option that gives it an edge in terms of fuel economy while still maintaining strong performance. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type starts at around $100,000 for the base model, which includes the standard engine and rear-wheel drive configuration. However, for those who want more performance and luxury, the higher trims, which come with the all-wheel drive system and more advanced tech features, can push the price up to around $130,000. While this is certainly on the higher end for a sports car, you're paying for the kind of craftsmanship, performance, and prestige that Jaguar has built its name on over the years. Lastly, in conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type is a true masterpiece. With its blend of classic design and modern performance, it strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. Whether you're drawn to its beautiful exterior, luxurious interior, or thrilling driving experience, the E-Type continues to uphold its legendary status in the world of sports cars. For those who can afford it, the price tag is justified by the unmatched craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity that come with owning a Jaguar.